the more you seek, the more you find. Well, this is perhaps the true statement when it comes to biology. Hello everyone. Today, myself Kulsum Fatima, your biology mentor. Today we are going to discuss about endomembrane system. Endomembrane system is basically composed of different membranes that are suspended in the cytoplasm within a eukaryotic cell. Function of four-cell organelles are coordinated inside the endomembrane system, that are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, and vacuole. All these four organelles are single membrane bound organelles. So today we are going to understand the structure and function of endoplasmic reticulum. So today we are going to understand the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. The cell organelle that produces, processes and secrete protein. This is the cell organelle that is found in almost every cell of human, animals and plants. The function of endoplasmic reticulum is not just protein synthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum also acts as storage of calcium ion, which is essential component for the production of lipids and steroids. But what does the endoplasmic reticulum look like? If we look the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, it basically look like a bunch of rough sheets and smooth tubules. The endoplasmic reticulum network in the endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnected flattened sheets known as cisternae, and branches of tubules that are extended from the nucleus to the rest of the cell. The sheets of and tubules of endoplasmic reticulum are made up of phospholipid membrane, continue with the membrane that surround the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum can be classified as rough endoplasmic reticulum. If we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum, because we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum can be classified as rough endoplasmic reticulum. We call it rough endoplasmic reticulum because if we look at the structure of rough endoplasmic reticulum, we notice the presence of membrane bound ribosomes. Whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum, we do not find any membrane bounded ribosomes over it. We are going to focus on rough endoplasmic reticulum for a moment. The rough endoplasmic reticulum lumen is slightly smaller than smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The lumen is the space we find between the membrane's walls of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum sheet and tubules. Rough endoplasmic reticulum play a central role in a protein synthesis. Protein synthesis begins with the translation by mRNA that are attached to endoplasmic reticulum membrane. These proteins gone to be a part of cell membrane or transported out of the cell to other destination. Proteins are essential for many physiological processes in the cell such as cell signaling, DNA synthesis, transport of molecules, and so on. Unlike rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is close to the nucleus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mainly located near the cell periphery. It has no ribosomes attached to it, the structure of more complex than rough endoplasmic reticulum. Membranes are irregular in size and it has many functions including synthesis of steroid, carbohydrate, lipids and metabolism of drugs and toxins. The function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum vary depending on the type of cells. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum found in muscles has a special name, that is sarcoplasmic reticulum, which regulate calcium ion during the muscle contraction and relaxation. In adrenal gland, smooth endoplasmic reticulum secrete cholesterol, which is a precursor of steroid hormone. In liver cell, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize and store enzymes that are essential for detoxification, like alcohol and drugs. Now we have reached at the end of this tutorial. Quick to the next video to continue learning, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out the next upload. Thank you. Bye bye.